Dear Toastmasters, distinguished guests, and well-wishers, a warm good evening. I am TM Sreshta Nair. Today, we are going to witness two captivating contests, humorous and evaluation. And it is my pride and privilege to welcome you all to the auspicious occasion. Before we move forward, I would like to recite the mission of our club. The mission of a Toastmasters Club is to provide a supportive and positive learning environment in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. As you all know, in Toastmasters program, we do not discuss matters related to sex, religion, and politics. Now, it is time for me to invite the presiding officer, who always inspires and motivates the people around him. I too am one of the beneficiaries. So please let me welcome our ebullient President DT Harish Bhagavan to preside over the contest meeting.
Thank you, Sreshta, for that elevating introduction. Today, seeing all these dignitaries in front of me, it is really a very inspiring scene. I think the club itself draws an energy from this sort of support and commitment shown by the community towards our club. And in this August occasion, I'm sure our division director is going to join sometime later, as well as our district director has promised to join, and DTM Sadagoban has taken time from Bahrain to be with us now, as well as DTM Abul Qasim, he's in office now, he has logged in now. Dear all, this kind of coming together, we have all made a commitment to put in our time and efforts for what? We are not here to promote the agenda of any religion, any political party. We are here solely for the purpose of one thing, that is to support others develop their personal skills. It so happens that when we support others, we ourselves get polished. And I have seen in all these many years in Toastmasters, so many of us joining Toastmasters like rough cut stones, and through this process get grinded or keep on rolling and end up like fine polished diamonds. This is something I am not lying. This is something so many here have truly experienced in their own lives. Now the thing is, this is such a great forum. We come together, we voluntarily contribute, we lift people up together, and in the process, we ourselves rise. The fact is, there is no central authority, there is nobody dictating, there is no one who has the power to make us do something. It is all come together by itself. That's a very fragile process. Left unattended, it can get broken so soon. That too, I have seen. Even though Periyar Toastmasters has started 10 years ago, and throughout every year of its existence, it has qualified as a President's Distinguished Club. We too are struggling. And we did kind of many discussions, what to do. And we have come up with many different proposals. We are planning to launch a youth leadership program as soon as possible. We are planning to have family gathering. And on top of it all, we made another very important decision, not by the president alone, not by the ExCom alone, with the involvement after consultation with each and every member of Periyar family, who are all present members, who are all past members, who are all left Saudi Arabia, but still they have that love for Periyar and who are still active and in contact with us. We contacted all of them and put in front of them a proposal. We said, if we keep an exclusive identity for Periyar, like a club that is isolated and there only for people of origin from Kerala or only for those who speak Malayalam, we do not find a future for this club. We have to bring in diverse blood. Regardless a person's origin, regardless their linguistic mother tongue, what we want is a collective commitment. We want active people who are willing to pledge their time to support others, and in that process, unknowingly, they themselves improve tremendously. That is one guarantee we can give. So here we are with open arms, open doors. If any of you, or if any of you are willing, or if any of you know the kind of people who would be interested in getting together in this kind of a community, please let us know. We will get in touch with you because we need you, as well as maybe later on you think that it was one of the best decisions that you also came to get into this sort of a platform through us. So with that, we are in for a great event today, a contest, and here we have with us none other than the District Director of Saudi Arabia Toastmasters, distinguished Toastmaster Abdul Ghafoor. Thank you so much, sir, for taking time of your busy schedule to be with us now. And it's now my privilege to invite you to deliver a short address to the entire audience. Over to you, distinguished Toastmaster Abdul Ghafoor.
Thank you so much, Mr. President DTM Harish, Vice President Education Ravi Kumar Nair, Division L Director DTM AK Das, Area 69 Director and Chief Judge Toastmaster Shantireka Rao, and our contest chair Manoj C. Nair. I could see a lot of dignitaries and senior DTMs among the crowd, like Usma Siddiqui is there, Sushil is there, Abdul Qasim, Sadagopan, Jayshankar, all leaders, members, and friends of Periyar Toastmasters Club. Welcome, good afternoon, and Assalamu Alaikum. Just like your club name indicates, the wonderful river of Kerala, Periyar, you all have proved over the times that you are wonderful Toastmasters too. I was really impressed by the inspirational message by the President DTM Harish. You see, of course, there are challenges. I do admit as district director, especially for the last couple of years, we really do have challenges. But are we sleeping on these challenges? Never. We can't do that. As leaders, as servants, we need to get out of these challenges. We need to think outside the box. YLP program is an excellent initiative. Family gathering, as mentioned by President. Again, you are doing wonderful job. When I was going through the dashboard, this is we have reached only the middle part, right? We are in December, and you have 18 paid members and 2 TCP points. It is not a small thing. You have done your homework, hard work over the last 6 months. Now it is the time to focus on the next 6 months. I am sure, 100% sure, you will yield, you will reap very pleasant and excellent results. Now we have started the contest seasons. Yes, it is a proud moment for all of us in District 79 and other districts to have the contest scene. This is the platform wherein we polish our skills, our members polish our skills and excel to do the best what they can do out of their best. Thank you so much, dear President. You have been so much inspiring me and following up for attending this contest. Thank you so much. I am so blessed and pleased to be among with you. I would love to listen to both the contest evaluation and humorous. Thank you so much. Back to you, Mr. President.
Thank you so much, DTM Abdul Ghafoor. Actually, achieving only 2 out of 10, for me, I feel kind of pain on that, but you have actually made us all lifted up in our spirits through your encouraging words. Thank you very much. Now we have, yes, now we have another Toastmaster who is the embodiment of commitment, who hesitates never to lead from the front and be a person, a force to lead others as an example or as a leader who serves. Yes, earlier there was a term, we used to refer ourselves as servant leader, but the latest thinking is that that is not exactly right. Yes, it is a leader who serves. It is a leader who serves means if the leader has made a decision that it's his or her mission to serve others. So here we have, if you want to know the epitome of a leader who serves, we don't need to look far anywhere else. We just need to look at only one person. That person is right here in front of us as our Division L Director, Distinguished Toastmaster DTM AK Das. Over to you, DTM AK Das, for your opening address.
Thank you, Mr. President DTM Haris, for giving me this opportunity and such elevated introductions. Dear Perians and my dear fellow leaders and our District Director, DTM Ghafoor, and the dynamic leaders of our Division L. You know, with Periyar, if I say, when I start my Toastmaster journey, you know, when the Periyar, I attached for my Toastmaster journey with the Periyar. From the every contest, I rarely miss Periyar. I have attachment with the Periyar because all the Toastmasters from Jacob, Suresh, and everybody, you know, at the time when I went to the Periyar, the meeting was conducted in Ventura, this Golden Sand and all. So I always used to attend this Periyar, you know, the contest, and many meetings also I've attended. You know, the one beautiful thing with the Periyar is, you know, the hospitality and home. You feel home, you know. When you enter to there, you feel that there is a homely environment all around. Even in the virtual, we see how when I saw Manoj and many, you know, of our Toastmasters, their smiling face, you know, you feel again, you are again, even in the virtual, still you have that homely touch. That is one of the great things of Periyar. The second thing is the vision of the president. You know, when this year we started our division, we thought that what is our main objective of this year, to connect to the every members and take Toastmasters beyond the members to the non-Toastmaster. I saw the inspirational speech with our president today. It is in line with our division vision to how to make a difference. Yes, as our DD said, we have challenges, but to mitigate that challenges, you know, you have a clear vision. This is very important that the president has a vision to mitigate this. Very important, and wish you all the best, and division will support you in all aspects. Coming back to the contest and contest quality, as you know, as I told you, you know, the Periyar clubs always have more contestants, and the contest quality always, of course, we'll witness this today once the contest begins. But they always give a beautiful contest. And Periyar, when it was in the start of the year, then we get gift. You know, it is a beautiful gift to get Periyar in our division. It was a very proud moment for me when Periyar come to our division, Division L. So we graciously, gracefully, and we got a very beautiful gift of Periyar Toastmasters Club. Thank you, Periyar, bringing a trust on the Division L and coming back to your home division. We know that in between you are out from our division, but you come back to your home division where the Division L stands. Wishing all the best, dear President and the Periyars. Let us have a great event, the contest, the evaluation and humorous contest. Wishing all the best. Over to Mr. President.
Thank you, DTM AK Das. Thank you for that kind words and inspiration. Indeed, we are so much thankful to you for that open embrace and acceptance that you have extended to Periyar when we moved back into Division L. Yes, it was for us a very heartening homecoming. I mean, after being away for a while, when we got back into Division L, it has really imbued us with more energy. The next in line, I should be inviting our area director, Dr. Shantirekha, but she is our chief judge today. So I think you are all going to have ample time to listen to Dr. Shantirekha. She is an amazing speaker. So we are going to listen to her after a while. Now let me take a moment to recognize and thank all of you who have joined with us today. Thank you, Toastmaster Srilata. Thank you for being with us. Thank you, Sri Gaurav. Thank you. You are joining from Australia. DTM Khalid Siddiqui, thank you so much. Thanks for coming.
My pleasure.
Thank you very much. Yes. DTM Abul Qasim, DTM Sadagopan, DTM Sushil Agrawal, DTM Jayashankar, Toastmaster Shankar, Mr. Manoj Krishnan, DTM Usma Siddiqui, Toastmaster Parag Patil, Toastmaster Nagashekar, Ms. Mallika, Toastmaster Madhura Balsare, Santosh Vijara, Ashwin Rakhunath, Erin Jace, Krishnadas, Mohandas, Rishikesh, Harik Kumar. Thank you all. If I have missed to introduce or call out the name of any of our guests, please feel free to introduce them. Okay, if there is none, I think we are all set for the contest now. Dear all, one beautiful thing about being the president is that you can delegate important responsibilities to others. And very good thing about Toastmasters is there is always a team of people who are willing to extend their support, take up responsibilities and execute them to perfection. And that we are going to witness today in the hands of a very senior Toastmaster. He is going to take us through this entire proceeding. He is the person who has inspired me the most, perhaps, in life. It is none other than a very handsome, a person with always a beautiful heart and a sweet smile on his face, none other than DTM Manoj C. Nair, who is going to be our contest chair today. Over to you, DTM Manoj C. Nair.
Thank you, Mr. President, for that very elevating introduction. I am really overwhelmed to hear all that synonyms for me. That is too much for me, but I really accept that, and thank you very much. Dear Toastmasters, distinguished guests and lovely children, a very warm good evening to all of you. Today, we are having two exciting contests, evaluation and humorous speech. I feel privileged to welcome you all as the contest chair for today's contest. Let me describe some of the rules first before the start of the contest for everybody. The timer will show the color cards for signaling the time. You can see the timer there, and the timer is Toastmaster Rakesh, and he is the first timer. So he will be having with the color cards ready. Timing will commence with the contestants' first verbal or non-verbal communication with the audience. This usually will be the first word uttered by the contestant, but would include any other communication such as sound effects, a stage act, or of any other person, etc. Do not miss to unmute yourself, test your mic, pin the timer before speaking. In breakout room, video and audio should be in on condition for all the contestants all the time. Timer will also notify the time for evaluation notes, judges ballot filling, which is 1 minute after each contestant and 3 minutes after last contestant. I think yesterday Chief Judge had made it clear, very clear to each and every contestant regarding the rules and regulations. So but I just repeated only for one more clarity for that. And if I think everybody is very clear regarding the same. Regarding the protest and disqualification, only contestants and judges will file a protest. All protests must be made to either with the Chief Judge or the contest chair prior to the announcement of the winners. That was as per our Chief Judge. Okay, since there are 5 contestants or more, there will be awards for the winner, first runner-up, and second runner-up for both the contests. The winner and first runner-up will represent the club in the area level contest. In the event, if they are unable to contest in the area contest, the second runner-up will represent in place. Now, may I request all contestants to disclose their video and ensure their presence. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I find some contestants are missing. Let me confirm and I will come back. Any questions from the contestants to the contest chair?
Excuse me, contest chair. I think there is no need for to timer to pin. It will spotlight, I think.
Definitely. Okay. Definitely. The timer will be spotlighted. That is what we decided. Yes.
Yes.
I'm
yes.
sorry
Thank
for
you.
that. Timer will be spotlighted. So even though you are not pinned, no problem for that.
Thank you for the clarification. Thank you so much.
Now, today's panel of judges is headed by a very dedicated Toastmaster, a competent leader, and an all-rounder in Toastmasters as well as in life. This illustrious Toastmaster possesses extensive experiences and brings with her an equally capable panel of judges to assist her today. She is also our respected area director. Yes, I am sure that you have guessed correctly. She is none other than Toastmaster Dr. Shantirekha Rao. Please join me in welcoming our Chief Judge, Toastmaster Dr. Shantirekha Rao, for briefing the contestants. Please, stage is yours.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sure.
Yeah. Thank you, Contest Chair, Toastmaster Manoj C. Nair, and our Division D Director, District Director of DTM Abul Kafil Sir, and Division L Director, Ekeda Sir, and all dignitaries and everyone. Good evening and Assalamu Alaikum. So tonight we are going to witness the first episode of Periyar Annual Speech Contest 2021-2022. 2 vibrant categories, evaluation and humorous speech contest. All the contestants and their assignees have been briefed out. The rules of the contest as per the TMI rule book and speaking order have been taken. So already the rules are being given by our contest chair. So I don't want to again brief out this. So let us go ahead. Like for example, the first one, this is the but still I'll be telling for the audience purpose. The first one, we are going to have the evaluation speech contest. There is going to be a test speaker and all the contestants will evaluate the same speech. At the end of the test speech, all the contestants will have 5 minutes to prepare the evaluation. And all the evaluation contestants except the first contestant will be requested by the Zoom master to move to the breakout room and will be called one by one based on the speaking order. The contestant shall flip the evaluation sheet and shall be visible. The mic should be on when the contestant is in the breakout room and as well as his video. Evaluation speeches will be from 2 to 3 minutes. Contestants who speak less than 1 minute 30 seconds or more than 3 minutes 30 seconds are disqualified. The green light will be displayed at 2 minutes and remain displayed for 30 seconds. The yellow light will be displayed at 2 minutes 30 seconds and remain displayed for 30 seconds. The red light will be displayed at 3 minutes and remain displayed until the speech is concluded. No other indication will be given by the timer during the speech. For the target speaker, the timings will be 5 to 7 minutes. Now let us go to the humorous speech contest, which is going to be followed after evaluation speech contest. For a humorous speech contest, the timings will be 5 to 7 minutes with a grace period of 30 seconds on either side. And the lights will be activated, green light at 5 minutes and remain for till 5 minutes 30 seconds. Yellow light 6 minutes and remain till 6 minutes 30 seconds. Red light is 7 minutes and will stay on until the conclusion of the speech. No notice shall be given during the speech. Prop and suitable props can be used. Timings will begin when the contestant's first definite or non-verbal communication with the audience. This will usually be the first word uttered by the contestants, but would be included by any other communication such as sound effects or a staged act by another person, etc. Timer and the speaker will be spotlighted. Please note the timer and the speaker will be spotlighted. So dear contestants need not to pin the timer. We have two timers, timer 1, and in case of any technical problem with the timer 1, we have timer 2. Now coming to the technical issues briefing. In the event of technical failure of the signal or timing equipment, a speaker is allowed 30 seconds extra overtime before being disqualified. In the event of technical failure of internet of the contestant, a grace period of 1 minute shall be given before the speaker starts his or her speech, and 30 seconds in case of technical failure of internet during 30 speech. So timer, please note of all these things. For both the contestants, there will be 1 minute silence between the speeches. At the end of the category, there will be 3 minutes silence, with 3 minute silence after the last contestant for judges to mark their ballots. Protest briefing are already been given to the contestants as well as to the judges, and also our contest chair just now briefed it. And a special rules and something for our dear audience. You have a very important role. All the contestants would have a lot of efforts, and your support and blessings helps them to perform better. Please keep your audio off throughout the contest. This is to avoid any disturbance during the contest. If your video is on, kindly encourage the speaker by showing interest, having a beautiful smile on your face. Although your audio is off, but still the laugh on your video will certainly encourage them. Okay, and to judge this contest, we have panel of judges who are highly experienced, and I'm very, very confident and that they will select the best. As per TMI guidelines, I cannot reveal any identity. Rest assured, they will select the best speakers tonight. And also we have able tally counters. Now, the complete team is ready. Arrangements are made, all set to go. I have completed the briefing. Over to you, contest chair.
Thank you very much, Chief Judge, for that very elaborative and perfect briefing given to the contestants. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, now let us begin the exciting evaluation contest first. Evaluation provides an important learning and feedback mechanism to the speaker. Evaluations are like the dashboard display of our car. We take note of the dashboard display and adjust the drive to optimum conditions so as to reach the destination safely with maximum efficiency. Similarly, evaluators will mention the speech's effect on him, what the speaker did well, areas where the speaker could improve, and specific recommendations for improvements. These constructive evaluations will help speaker to be a better speaker. Today, in the evaluation contest, a speech will be given by a specimen or target speaker, and contestants and all the contestants shall listen to the speech carefully. Then they are given 5 minutes, as our Chief Judge said, to prepare their notes. Contestants will provide a purposeful, helpful, interesting evaluation as per their speaking order, which is already being taken. The core of evaluation shall be the positive spirit aimed at the growth of the speaker. Let us see how our contestants fare tonight in the art and science of evaluation. There are 7 Toastmasters were participating in the contest, but unfortunately, because of unavoidable situations, There are 2 contestants cannot participate in the last minute because of personal problem. That was unavoidable. That was very unfortunate, but they have informed me their inability to attend in the contest because immediate personal problems. So other than that, there will be 5. Then there will be 5 contestants will be there. All of them have been briefed during the pre-contestant briefing and have chosen their speaking slot. For your information, let me reconfirm the speaking order already being taken. If in case of any mismatch, please let me know. The first contestant will be Toastmaster Sabu Cletus. Second, Toastmaster Sima Shibu, and she had informed her unavailability because of some personal problems, so unavoidable personal problems. So she will not be there. The second slot will be vacant. And the third speaker will be Toastmaster Shivadas Bhaskaran. The fourth will be Toastmaster Grace Johnson, but she also not come up because of personal problems. So both of our lady speakers, actually, they have some personal problems and not able to attend the contest today. And the fifth speaker is Toastmaster Manoj Kumar. The sixth speaker, Toastmaster Harish Bhagavan. And last but not the least, Toastmaster Shibu Xavier. So kindly note down the changes. The judges as well as the chief judge can note down the 2 absenteeisms in the contest. Madam Toastmaster Sima Shibu as well as Madam Toastmaster Grace Johnson. Both will not be contesting today. I'm sure that there will be such a definite and ample reason will be there. Otherwise, both this Abelian Toastmasters will not be able to contest because they are anytime they can contest anywhere. That was their capability, but it was unfortunate for them because they have clearly informed. Chief Judge may continue. You have noted down and good.
Yes, you can continue.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Already contest criteria as well as all details all have been explained by our enthusiastic Chief Judge, Toastmaster Dr. Chandrakar Rao. So, can we proceed with the contest, dear Chief Judge?
Yes, you can proceed. All the best.
Thank you. Are the contestants ready? Are you ready with the notes? Everybody is having the evaluation notes? Yes. Let us keep all your mobile phones in the silent mode. There should not be any disturbance to anybody. Okay, please not. All are requested to put your mobile phone in silent mode or keep in the off mode, please. Are the suggestion ramps ready? Timers ready? Timer ready? Yeah.
Contest chair, just a small request. The Zoom master can spotlight the target speaker as well as the timer.
Sure, definitely. He will.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, are the judges ready? Can we start the contest? Yeah. As you all know, the evaluation contest, there will be a target speaker, or we can say a specimen speaker. The specimen speaker for today is Toastmaster Ashwin Raghunath. Toastmaster Ashwin Raghunath. He is a District 92 Toastmaster, a Toastmaster since 2018. After juggling between club officer roles and seasons, he became the area director in 2020-21. A path breaker in innovative planning and currently in engaging humor. Great. The right choice by our chief judge, in fact. Employed with TCS, and he's having a task freak and loves to keep things in order, including his house. That is all great thing actually. Thank you for being our target speaker. So dear contestants, our target speaker is Toastmaster Ashwin Raghunath, and the title of the speech, The Choices I Make. The choices I make, Toastmaster Ashwin Raghunath.
Quick check. You guys can clearly hear me, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Given a choice to choose a dessert for the evening, which will you choose? Ice cream or a bar of chocolate? I want that response in the chat right now. Ice cream or bar of chocolate?
Ice cream?
Ice cream? None. Ice cream. Ice cream. Okay. Kind of good. You know what I will choose? Rasmalai. Now you may be thinking, Ashwin, that was not even part of the options, right? Precisely. That is exactly how my choices of life has been. You will give me two things, I will choose a third one. The choices I make are often so spectacularly odd that I often wonder that I am the zeroth wonder of the world. Why? Because once you realize the kind of choices I make, those monuments will seem pretty ordinary. Let me give you a very simple example. My father had a moving job, which means I couldn't take my regional language as my second language in school. I had to take Sanskrit, which means when in house, if I had to go outside, I should have actually said to my mom, Amma njannu poittu varato. But if I was practicing, Matra aham gachami. I struggled with this language for 7 years straight. Before finally in standard 9, I was given that opportunity to choose a lighter and easier to learn Hindi. So on the day of selection, my mother asked, what's your choice? What do you think I took the choice? Yes, I got that from the smile of Manoj Nair. I again chose Sanskrit. But these odd choices didn't start from that day. It all began a couple of years back. You see, in school, I was that one student who had got straight A's in every single subject I can put my hand on. But there was one simple lingering dream: to be the highest mark scorer in my favorite subject, social studies. And one day, I saw my teacher come with that bundle of papers. And she sat down. And she suddenly announced, Ashwin, you have got the first mark in social studies. I was surprised and happy. I proudly went through the paper one by one, until I realized something was not adding up. Apparently, the marks in every question didn't add up to the total. I looked around and realized that no one had any clue about this particular mistake the teacher made. And that's when my cunning brain spoke to me. You got lucky, my dear friend. You know exactly what you have to do. That is true. I knew exactly what I had to do. I went and informed the teacher about the counting mistake. For 2 minutes straight, my teacher looked at me Not sure did she hear the exact line. Nevertheless, she soon announced that I was no more the highest mark in social studies, and I never managed to get that. And hence began the crusade of such odd and undefinable choices in my life. Another instance was when I saw my friends slowly show some interest in extracurricular activities. But you know what? I, the champion until that day, announced, I am resigning. You guys can win. For Indians, I chose engineering because I chose engineering. All these choices you can hear, you may see it's very embarrassing to go out and tell someone about it, right? But not always in my life, the choices were so embarrassing. There came a point of my life when I was asked to choose my girlfriend or my family. My girlfriend, the love of my life, the one person with whom I had planned every single aspect of my future, and my family, going through one of the worst financial crises of their lives, but not ready to accept this girl. I looked around and asked all my friends, and they all said the same thing. She was waiting for you for last 4 years. Why are you thinking again? And that was true. I asked my brain again, and it said, choose the path with lesser regrets. I asked again, and again, and it still said the same thing. Choose the path with lesser regrets. And I chose my family. It's 4 years since that happened. But even today, my heart has that void of missing her. Now you may ask, Ashwin, why did you have to take that choice? It was a simple choice. But to be with my family at that moment of their adversity was always the choice with lesser regrets. Ladies and gentlemen, not always in our life we have that privilege to make a choice that may bring a smile or probably embarrass like me, but often a choice that may leave a permanent void in your heart. If you made the first two choices, be grateful, laugh out loud, because there are so many moments to laugh about it. But had it been the third, just remember, it was probably the path with lesser regrets. Because it is these choices that make each one of us the zeroth wonder of our lives. So audience, now tell me, which would you choose? Ice cream or chocolate bar? Back to you, contest chair.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Ashwin Raghunath, for that fantastic speech. Audience, please keep silence for evaluation contestants to prepare their notes. Timer, please give intimation on completion of 5 minutes.
Contestant, we'll have to wait for the chief judge to be back in here.
Exactly. Yes, I want.
Perhaps during that time we can call some of the dignitaries to deliver a message. Like we may have Khalid Siddiqui or DTM Usma Siddiqui or Sushil Agrawal or Jai Shankar.
Definitely we can have that. Let me hand over the stage to our dear President Toastmaster Harish Bhagavan to call upon our other dignitaries.
Okay, thank you, Contest Chair. Yes, dear all, it's now my privilege and it is now our privilege to listen to some of the dignitaries present here. I do not know who of them is right now willing to deliver a short message. May check first with DTM Sushil. DTM Sushil, are you ready? DTM Sushil, you are mute. So I would like any one of them to show the video. Yeah, DTM Khalid Siddiqui. Yes, we were waiting for you. Please take the podium.
Thank you, Mr. President. Honorable District Director, our DLD, Das Babu, and all fellow members. Good evening once again. I would like to congratulate you, the President, and of course the all club members for a wonderful contest. I have witnessed the first round. It was really showing the standard of Periyar, and I can vouch. It is a welcome back session with Division L, and I'm sure the quality will further enhance and improve under the patron of DLD. So my best wishes to all the winners, all the contestants, because they are all winners. But of course, they have to work they should try to win every contest. And I'm looking forward for next contact now, humorous. I'm sure it will be a very hilarious one. So once again, good luck to all the contestants and to the club president for a successful contest event. Over to you, President Harish Bhargavan.
Thank you, DTM Khalid. Thank you for that
Thank you.
inspiring message.
Thank
Can we take this time itself to have DTM Usma also on screen?
Come on.
Yes.
Yeah, hi.
Hi,
He was
ma'am.
running out of battery, so I said we can always sit together and watch the wonderful contest, which I'm sure none of us would want to miss at any cost. Congratulations, and really glad to be a part of such a wonderful contest. And I'm so happy to see so many members taking part. I said in the beginning, it is a challenge for the members to come in and give their speeches right now, and I'm so impressed to see so many members taking part in the contest, and that itself is a victory for you, DTM Harish sir. 2 points is nothing. By the end of the year, you would definitely be 10 points and par with such power in front with everybody on. And inshallah, I'm looking forward to a fantastic next contest also. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. Best wishes, and your contest chair, your VP Education, and all of you are doing a fantabulous job in getting this contest rolling. And wonderful contestants, you were great. And of course, our chief judge is fabulous and beautiful. And keep the ball rolling. And we are here for you forever for any sort of help. Thank you so much. Back to you, sir.
Thank you so much, DTM Usma Siddiqui. And I see the chief judge is back on room, but I am taking a liberty. I am trying to call DTM Jaishankar. Are you there, DTM Jaishankar? Just we got 1 minute. Looks like not. In that case, I will hand over the control back to our contest chair. Over to you, contest chair. Contest chair, you're mute.
Yeah. Thank you, dear President, for taking the time and managing the time well. And may I request our Chief Judge whether I can continue now to the next contest. Chief Judge, may I move on to the next contest?
Yes, you can proceed.
Yeah, thank you. Let us move on to our next very interesting contest. This fantastic evening, we have our very best speakers contesting to become the best humorous speaker of the club. Pardon?
Contest Toastmaster, please support us. We automatically came out here on the main room. Still, we need to go back to the breakout room. Zoom Master, can you?
All the personnel are back into the main room, right?
Tally counters.
Yeah. Kindly, Zoom Master, kindly bring all the tally counters back to the main room. Right? Is it okay?
Okay, uncle.
Okay. Yeah, let us move on to the fantastic humorous speech contest. There are 5 contestants, and out of that, 1 contestant is not participating. That is Sima Shibu. Unfortunately, she has some personal problems, so she is not participating. I will just read out the order which they have regarding the slots they have taken yesterday. First speaker is Toastmaster Saboklitas. Second, Toastmaster Shivadas Bhaskaran. Third, Toastmaster Harish Bhagavan. Fourth, Toastmaster Sima Shibu. And fifth, Toastmaster Shibu Savior. Toastmaster Shima Shibu will not be contesting. So there will be 4 contestants for humorous speech contest. As the famous American poet R.W. Emerson said, speech is power, speech is to persuade, to convert, to compel. And it is the best known fact that humor is the best tool for achieving all those objectives. Humor can definitely make us cherubic, and hence my advice for all of you is to practice humor whenever, wherever possible. I hope and wish that all our contestants will be daringly different to ascertain the lifelong experience of contesting. During the pre-contest briefing, the contestants have been briefed on the speech contest rules, and the speaking order has been clearly determined, as I mentioned. And to assist me in conducting this contest, I have an experienced team of Sergeant Times Zoom Master who will ensure that all contestants are properly arranged and that there is no disturbance when the speakers are delivering their speeches. Now, let me request our Chief Judge to give a brief of the contest presentation, please.
Good evening again, once again, the contest chair. We have already done the briefing in the start regarding the humorous speech contest, so we can proceed. All the best.
Thank you, Chief Judge, for the briefing. As American poet Oliver Wendell Holmes said, it is the province of knowledge to speak, and it is the privilege of wisdom to listen. My dear fellow Toastmasters and guests, are you ready for the privilege of wisdom? If so, then we will proceed with to hear our contestants. Are the Sergeant Times ready? Are the contestants ready? Please raise your hands, contestants, please. Yeah. Are the timers ready?
Yes.
Chief Judge, are the judges ready? Chief Judge, shall we start the contest? I think Chief Judge is busy with the, yeah.
Yes, sir.
You can proceed, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, fine. Now there is no reason to wait. Let us begin the humorous speech contest. Contestant number 1, Toastmaster Saboklitas. Title of the speech, Sabu, where are you? Sabu, where are you? Toastmaster Saboklitas.
Contest chair, 3 minutes are over now.
Thank you, timer. That is the end of our speech contest, first humorous speech contest, and both the contests are over now. Let me move on to honoring our assignees and Zoom Master. May I recognize my assignees which made this contest possible. Let me start with the Sergeant Tams and Sue Master to receive their token of appreciation. Sue Master, kindly display their certificates. Toastmaster Josben Xavier, the main Sue Master, please display his certificate. Kindly accept the token of appreciation, Toastmaster Josben.
Thank you, Uncle.
Welcome. Toastmaster Ravi Kumar Nair, kindly display the second Sue Master, Toastmaster Ravi Kumar Nair. They were successfully handled the Sergeant Tams way also through the Zoom. Let us give the Sergeant Tams cum Sue Masters a loud round of applause for their excellent support in smooth conduct of the contest. Last but not the least, may I request our Sue Master to display the token of appreciation certificate for our specimen or target speaker. Toastmaster Ashwin Raghunath, kindly accept our token of recognition. Sue Master, kindly display the certificate. And please accept our token of appreciation with a loud round of applause. Thank you very much, Toastmaster Ashwin Raghunath. Now we have time till Chief Judge comes out with the results. I hand over the stage to our dear President, Toastmaster Harish Bhagavan, for further comments from the audience.
Thank you.
Toastmaster Harish Bhagavan, our President.
Thank you, DTM Manoj Nair. I think it is a good idea to make best use of time available.
Yeah.
And I would invite our guest, Madam Srilata, to comment on how was her experience being with us today. Madam Srilata, you are mute. Please unmute yourself. Yeah.
A warm good evening to all.
Good evening.
I'm
Good evening.
really first time. I'm entire program. I was interestingly listening, and it was really awesome. I found each and everyone showed their full interest to prepare their speeches, and they're given very nice. They attempted very nicely to make us to laugh, in fact, with their speeches. I'm heartily congratulating each and every participant, and I'm looking forward for more programs for your end. Thank you.
Thank you, Sridhar ma'am. Thank you for being with us. Your presence is a huge inspiration. Now let me call a very special person, Toastmaster Hari Kumar, who is joining all the way from India, even though he's on vacation.
Thank you, Harish Bhargavan, for giving me a chance to talk. I'm extremely happy to listen all the speeches. I'm also fortunate to listen all those things despite my heavy schedule, since I have joined in another organization in a very senior most position. And despite all the engagement, I could reach here. In fact, I should have missed if I should not have seen the WhatsApp today. I thought it will be for tomorrow, normally Saturday. So anyway, fortunate enough, and I thoroughly enjoyed the speeches. And I would like to say that it was, we cannot compare because the subject was different. The people were presenting to that. One thing I wanted to say that it is not a criticism. I would like to say normally, whenever a humorous contest is happening, people talk against their wives or some of their, women, other gender part. So we should change that in the coming thing. And I request everyone, it is not the time. I hope all the lady participant over here will join with me or agree with me. It's not fair all the time to say there are good things to talk about, including the president. I would like to say, you have so many things to say more than apart from this. So I request, let us give respect to the people who are with us in all our sufferings and all our upliftments in the life. Though they may be doing some mistakes in our life along with us, so let us pardon them and let us be honest with them and do the needful for them. Thank you. This is the only thing I have noticed. So hope everybody who are here have enjoyed this. Thank you. Thanks. And it's a well prepared contest. Thank you. Thanks for all the organizers. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Harichetan. Since Harichetan is very much a member of our club, so I am taking this liberty. Harichetan, we have no dearth of advisors. We have only the dearth of people who are actively doing something. With that, let me check with our chief judge. Chief judge, are you ready, or should we go ahead with some more?
No, we can go ahead. We can go ahead. The results are ready. I'm going to share with the contest chair. And before you just give me a green signal, I'm going to share with the contest chair as well as the Zoom master to prepare the certificates.
Madam, you can hand over them. My only question is that should I hand over to the contest chair, or do you need 2-3 minutes more?
No, I'm done. I'm done. We are done.
So thank you, ma'am. Now over to contest chair DTM.
No, that one we can have. If anybody else is there, then we can go ahead with, because Zoom master has to prepare the certificates for the winners.
Oh,
so
sure.
It will take some more time also.
Sure. In that case, let us go by Toastmaster Shankar. Toastmaster Shankar, thank you for joining. Could you please switch on your video? Or Toastmaster Parag Patil, or Abul Qasim, or Nagashekar, who are all our guests today. Could you, any one of you? Yes, Abul Qasim, thank you. Could you please Yes, could you please give us a message?
Yeah,
right.
so, thank you, DTM Suresh, for this wonderful opportunity. Sorry, I'm walking to take my food, so I'll not take much time. First and foremost, let me take this opportunity to congratulate Periyar ExCom and DTM Harish for successfully completing the evaluation and humorous contest. If I'm not mistaken, I think Periyar is the first club in Jubail for conducting this contest. As always, you are the trendsetter. Periyar is the trendsetter. Keep it up. Today is no different. You have started well, and inshallah, you're going to finish well also. All the best to all the contestants. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. Over to you, DTM Harish.
Thank you so much, DTM Abul Qasim. Thank you for joining with us. And thanks for the support for the telecounting team as well.
No, it's okay. It's my privilege.
Yes, right. Participation and encouragement from leaders like you, that is what keeps this movement thriving, actually. And I could see Toastmaster Parag Patel. Toastmaster Parag Patel, could you please switch on your video again? Yes. We'd like to listen to you. Yes.
Yeah, actually, I thoroughly enjoyed the contest. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants. They come and they deliver their speeches. The winning and losing is not important for me. Important me to enjoy that 5 minutes, 3 minutes that you enjoy today. So congratulations all the speakers and all the participants. Only I will, and another thing is your core team, like Chief Judge and your Sergeant Arm, timers. They executed a very well organized program. All the best, and you almost cover your time, as it is perfectly. All the best. Thank you very much. Keep it up.
Thank you, Toastmaster Parag. Could you please introduce?
I'll be there. You'll invite me.
Sure, sure. Toastmaster Parag, could you please introduce yourself from, we do not know from which area or division you are from.
I'm Division J. My name is Parag Patil, Toastmaster Parag Patil. And I am 3 club Toastmasters.
Oh, good.
Right. Toastmaster Club, Black Gold, and there is Panorama. So it's going on good. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking time off and being with us. Yes. Contestant, should we come back or?
Yeah, Chief Judge, I have not received. Till
Yes.
Okay.
No. I will be sending within 2 seconds. I have sent to 1 second. I have sent to because fine enough. I'll send it to you also.
Yeah.
Great, with 1 click. Now, so good evening once again. Let me first of all thank Club President Toastmaster Harish for entrusting me this very great and a very good, like a very responsible job, and I hope I have done to my, the best ability and giving this opportunity. It has been very enjoyable and learning experience. All the contestants have really done extremely well, and it must be a tough job for all the judges. I'm really sorry, judges, for giving you a very big time. I mean, on Friday evening, such a big task, hard task, in fact, I should say, difficult task. On behalf of Periyar Toastmaster Club, thank all the esteemed panel of judges for accepting to be judges in our annual speech contest. Your time and dedication made it possible for us to select the best speakers. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. It's time to recognize the heroes behind the screen, without whom our today's show would not have been accomplished. I would like to recognize the timers and the tally counters for their support and cooperation. May I request the Zoom master to kindly display the certificates, and I request President DTM Harish to join for the same. Toastmaster Rakesh, please accept appreciation certificate. Okay, thank you for the meticulous job as timer. Wonderful, because timing is a very, very
Thank you, ma'am.
crucial
Thank
thing,
you.
and you have done a wonderful job. Toastmaster Shrestha, please accept appreciation certificate for the wonderful job as timer. Toastmaster Madhura Belsare, please accept appreciation certificate for the marvelous job as tally counter, because tally counter is also a great, wonderful job, and you did a great job. Thank you very much. Toastmaster Shankar, please accept appreciation certificate for the excellent job as tally counter. Tonight, those who have all participated are winners. So I think this is all done. We can just stop the meeting. Good night. Bye-bye. Okay, now one more person I would like to appreciate, because he is a person like, like in Toastmaster, we always have a target speaker, a back target speaker, a judge, a back judge. So today I have come with another one, backup tally counter, and that is none other DTM Abul Qasim. DTM Abul Qasim, sir, please accept this certificate. I think this is the first time we have come up with this role. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right. Right. Now, I do not want to delay any further. Once again, I would like to thank all the judges and assignees for your cooperation. Back to you, contest chair, and the contest chair is having the list of the winners, and really all are winners according to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chief Judge. Thank you for the work fantastically done. Now, may I invite our President to virtually recognize our Chief Judge, Toastmaster Dr. Chandrarekha Rao, with our token of appreciation. Dear President, you can say a few words and recognize her with the token of appreciation. Certificates will be displayed by our Zoom master.
Actually, in a contest, being a judge is an easy task, but being a chief judge involves a lot of activities, a lot of coordination. And when it was Dr. Chandrarekha, absolutely, we had no headaches. Otherwise, in some cases, organizing a group of judges that right from preparing the forms to until the very end, the role of the club president and ExCom will be huge. But here, it was professionally, meticulously handled by our own area director. Thank you, madam. Thank you for your enormous support to our club. And we are humbled, as at the same time, we are inspired a ton by your efforts and dedication. Kindly accept. Right.
Thank you very much. In fact, I should say thanks to my judges, because I brought judges from across the globe, like, from Division J, Division B, I don't know which all divisions we have, and also a target speaker from India. So to ensure that we should get a quality judgment. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, now I am taking my liberty to recognize one more person, that is none other than our contest chair. Dear Zoom Master, kindly display the certificate for our contest chair. Dear all, how smooth run was this contest? Wasn't it being controlled by a person able and adept on the wheels? So I have no more words to say. DTM Manoj Nair, please, your vision and your support, you are our strength, you are our soul, you are our heart. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that great words of appreciation, and humble me so much for hearing that. Thank you very much. I love it, and I will remember this forever. Thank you very much. Thank you, dear President. Thank you, Chief Judge. Thank
Yes.
you.
Now it is back to you.
Thank you.
Right.
Now, may I move ahead with the exciting and interesting part of the contest, the results. May I request our area director, Dr. Chandrekha Rao, and the club president, DTM Harish Bhargavan, to be present virtually to give away the certificate and trophies of the winners. May I request our Zoom master to spotlight both of them to the front. Zoom masters, please spotlight Toastmaster Chandrekha Rao as well as DTM Harish Bhargavan virtually. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let us begin with the results of evaluation contest first. No participant was disqualified. The second runner-up of evaluation contest and the speaker who will represent Periyar Toastmasters Club in the area level contest in the event of the first runner-up or the winner is unable to participate is. Now you can unmute and you can give me your suggestions. It is no suggestions. It is Toastmaster Shibu Xavier. Give a one round of applause to Toastmaster Shibu Xavier. Now, the first runner-up of our evaluation contest who will represent Periyar Toastmasters Club in the area level contest is Toastmaster Shivadas Bhaskaran. Give him a round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And the winner of today's evaluation speech contest is, any guesses?
Our president.
Absolutely. Toastmaster Harish Bhargavan. Toastmaster Harish Bhargavan is the winner for the evaluation contest. Give him a round of applause. Congratulations all the winners. Congratulations all the participants. Yeah.
Contest chair, just a small clarification mistake. And there was only one disqualification in evaluation speech contest, which I have mentioned. I think you were so excited to announce the results, you did not mention that. Only
There was
one.
Sorry.
Yeah. Only.
I am very sorry. There was one disqualification also. There was one I found it was very small letters.
Yeah, and you're so excited that I can understand.
Yeah. Sorry. I am very sorry. There was one disqualification also. Sorry, my mistake. I'm correcting my mistake. There was one disqualification, and congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations to all the participants too. Thank you. Thank you, Chief Judge, for the correction. Now, let us move on to the humorous contest speech results. The second place the second runner-up of humorous speech contest and the speaker who will represent Periyar Toastmasters Club in the area level contest in the event of the first runner-up or the winner is unable to participate is. For your clarification, there was no disqualifications in the humorous contest. Ma'am, by mistake, that results were wrongly sent to me. I think you have sent me other results.
No. It was now it's the said one. What you're saying is correct. No problem. Go ahead.
No.
Sir, I have sent you right now. I'll just send you the screenshot also.
Okay, please.
Maybe you're reading the one. No problem. I've sent you. I'll just send you the screenshot.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, because I think you're confused with the no issues at all. I'll just send it to you.
Yeah. It came next.
Yeah, no problem. No. I understood what you said. So go ahead.
Yeah. I got it.
Because you are confusing with the page.
Yeah, order came.
No
with,
problem.
Came with another letter. Yeah.
Yes.
And the second runner-up in a humorous speech contest and the speaker who will represent Periyar Toastmasters Club in the area level contest in the event of first runner-up and the winner unable to participate is Toastmaster Shivadas Bhaskaran. Give him a round of applause.
Thank you.
Zoom master, please display the certificate. Thank you. The first runner-up of humorous speech contest who will represent Periyar Toastmasters Club in the area level contest is. Any guesses? Toastmaster Sabu Cletus. Give him a round of applause. Thank you. And the winner of today's humorous speech contest, who will represent Periyar Toastmasters Club in the area level contest is none other than Toastmaster Harish Bhargavan. Give him a big round of applause. So, Master, please display his certificate too. Give a full round of applause to all the contestants, all the participants, as well as the winners. I congratulate all the contestants for the courage and determination to participate in the contest, which is more important than winning. My dear Toastmasters and Gus, don't you think it was a marvelous contest? What is your opinion? Yeah.
Yes.
Please give all the contestants and assignees a thunderous round of virtual applause. Ladies and gentlemen, having witnessed the performance of our veteran Toastmasters, I was of the opinion that they were born speakers. It took a long time to convince myself that most of our speakers were not born speakers, but became good speakers by practicing and training themselves in Toastmasters, including me. Let me not hide my sincere gratitude to all the fellow members, office bearers, and Periyar VP Education Toastmaster Ravi Kumar Nair in particular for his incomparable support and encouragement. My special thanks go to our President DTM Harish Bhargavan and Area Director Toastmaster Dr. Shantirekha Rao too. This is one of the most pleasant and memorable events in my life. My sincere thanks to all the contestants assignees, chief judge, and the team of anonymous judges, and you, the great audience. Thank you. Signing off. Over to you, Mr. President.
Thank you, DTM Manoj Nair. It was a fantastic evening. Actually, it is just because I happened to be the president, I had no other choice than to contest. Otherwise, left to myself, I would have never, ever dared to even participate in humorous speech. But this is some kind of growth that we will be pushed into once we are part of certain this kind of organization. There is no choice. Here all, I think before concluding, we have Mr. Nagasekhar. Mr. Nagasekhar, could you please?
Yeah, Mr.
switch on-
Nagasekhar.
Yes, could you please switch on your video, and we would like to listen to you. Mr. Nagasekhar, are you there? Yeah.
First of all, I would like to thank you very much, President Harish.
Thank you
for inviting me.
Yes.
Good evening, all great leaders, distinguished Toastmasters. Today, I really thoroughly enjoyed the whole session. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all the winners of today's contest. And frankly speaking, all done very well and thoroughly enjoyed and well arranged. The whole session smoothly run. And I would like to sincerely thank Chief Judge Dr. Shantireka, Madam, and appreciate all. And thank you very much once again, all of you. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
Toastmaster Nagasekhar, can you please tell me from which division you belong to?
At present, I am Area 32 Director, Division J. Basically, I am from Telugu Toastmasters Club.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet all of you.
Nice to meet
Really
you, yes,
happy
yes.
to see you.
Thank you.
Sorry, no, the Toastmaster Nageshwara, you are from Telugu?
Yes, I am from Telugu.
Which part of Telugu?
Visakhapatnam.
My family at
Oh, great.
Visakhapatnam.
That's great.
Thank you, sir.
I
Which part
understood
we are?
even Harish also.
No, I am from Kerala.
No, actually, we are from Kerala. My family settled there only. Don't misunderstand.
Okay. You settled there, huh?
Yeah, they are in Chinnawalter area.
Oh, great,
Thank you.
great.
Thank you.
We are
Thank
from
you.
Murli Nagar.
I know it. Thank you.
Thank you. Dear all, I think
Judge is also from Andhra Pradesh, right?
Yeah, I'm also from Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, we will make an Andhra Toastmasters Club here.
Sure, we should. We should really.
No, we can
And
make
division area 69, huh? Area 69.
Whatever it will be Shantireka ma'am area.
Wow, so nice
Yes,
of you.
yes.
Thank you. We rock.
Dear, yes. Dear all, is there anybody who would like to share some reflections now before? Yes,
Myself?
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, not as a chief judge, but not
Yes,
as an area director, but as a Periyar Toastmaster Club's member. I would like to join maybe next year or something. Right. It was really wonderful thing because everyone are seasoned and excellent Toastmasters, literally. Like only the problem is we have to choose 3. That's the reason they have chosen 3. Otherwise, all would have gone to area. Seriously, we should have make our own area. All spoke very nicely, be it evaluation and or it is humorous. It was literally humorous. DTM Shivadas was asking, like, whether you are going to throw or something like that. Certainly not. We were literally laughing. And I could not show, being a chief judge, I should not show my expressions and my, so that's the reason I switched off my audio and video so that I should not show. Anyway,
See, madam, first time I am participating humorous actually. So this is not easy, I think.
Now. Everyone did a good job. And literally, Toastmaster Ravi immediately preparing the certificates is good. And I understand, contest chair Manoj and I, what happened is, the entire sheet, usually I send it as a snapshot and to the chief judge. But I sent the entire folder by mistake. So what happened is, other contest also, that is last year when I was the chief judge for Ranadha,
My God.
those things were also came. Now I understood, no, he's making
I was seeing other names. So
you
I
would have
scrolled
thought,
down, I was seeing other name, but that was in the top side actually. Actually, you have sent the first you send the humorous, then
Yes.
evaluation.
This
Why
is
Then
you
if
I,
falling
that's the
down?
reason I've taken the snapshot and sent it. Now you should not make any this thing.
No, no,
Anyways,
that's fine. That's fine.
sorry to interrupt. This is the effect of our humorous speech. I believe strongly.
seriously. Chalo, thank you very much, and thanks to you, Toastmaster Harish. DTM
Thank you,
Harish,
ma'am.
President.
Thank you all. Yes, yes. We're all, if there is no one who would like to present any reflections officially, I don't find anything. So we formally conclude the meeting, but we can still continue for 5 more minutes, kind of chit-chatting and official networking.